Okay. The problem in Mobius is this over here on the left. This is the question. But I went into Mobius, the second section of your reading and participation activities, and found all these definitions to help us out here. Question A says, identify the type of data that would be used to describe a favorite baseball team. Now, I don't follow baseball. I do follow football, so I really wish this had said football team, because then I'd be like, oh, it's the Steelers. But yeah, if somebody asks you, hey, what's your favorite baseball team? Aren't you simply going to say whoever it is that you like, Boston Red Sox, Oakland A's. Oh, this one has Oakland A's in it. Trying to think of other baseball teams. Anyway, so if I read the definition, qualitative data, let's see, color-coded. Qualitative data I did in the red. Quantitative continuous I did in green. Whoops. And then the quantitative discrete I highlighted in that purpley color, which is as close to purple as I'm going to get. But both quantitative continuous and quantitative discrete involve numbers. So if I'm looking at the purple, which is quantitative discrete data, these data take on only certain numerical values. If you count the number of phone calls you receive, you might get values such as 0, 1, 2, or 3. But for quantitative continuous data, that takes you into decimal and fraction land, basically, is what it does. If somebody asks me what my favorite baseball team is, it doesn't involve numbers at all. It's just, hey, this is who I like. That would fall under qualitative data. That results in describing attributes of a population. The population would be, the baseball teams, and you'd be saying, hey, I like this particular one. So you're falling under qualitative data, period. They give examples of hair color, blood type, ethnic group, the car a person drives, the street a person lives on, the favorite baseball team. So the answer is qualitative. And then it says, what's an example of that data? Well, I suppose somebody could say, I like all baseball teams, but if you had to pick out a favorite baseball team, I'd be going with the Oakland A's. That's the only choice of a specific baseball team down here. Let's go back here, qualitative, and the Oakland A's. And let's see how I did. Bada bing, bada boom. I did it right. There you go. Baseball teams are qualitative because it's categorical data. And an example of a favorite baseball team is the Oakland A's. Hope that helps.